because I think today marks a step forward in St. Martin being the leader that we've always known ourselves to be. We've been a leader in tourism, in aviation, in Port St. Martin. All of these have always been the top of the line of the Caribbean. Well, today, St. Martin is taking a step to become a leader in cryptocurrency, and we're doing that with Bitcoin Cash. I believe in leading by example, and that is why today I've taken the decision to actually have my entire salary deposited into and converted into Bitcoin Cash, which is now in my digital wallet, and I can use to pay my rent, to cover expenses, I can do groceries, I can even pay my car lease. All of that is possible with the click of a finger. You know, I've been looking into cryptocurrency, and I'm by no means an expert. You know, blockchain, all of this was very new to me. But I have to thank my colleague, the Minister of Finance, Arthur Arian, who has been making a lot of efforts to actually educate the population about this. And actually last year, when he held, together with the central bank, the blockchain conference, the documents coming out of that, the discussions that took place, really opened my eyes to the importance of St. Martin embracing innovation. I also took note then of the press briefing at the end of December, where we heard of his efforts to innovate, actually add the I in finance, that the I in finance is innovation. Well, today, the I in Parliament is also innovation. And we as young leaders in this country, and we as young leaders in the Caribbean, have to see where the future is going and be ahead of it. And that's why today I hope I will become an example to many young people out there who want to safeguard their future and find a very responsible and careful way to get into cryptocurrency. Will look into Bitcoin Cash, do their research, and then adopt it as their everyday means of transactions. So today, once again, the UP Party, the leader, as well as Parliament making history. Happy to be doing this.